So good morning, class.
Good morning, Miss Desiree and Mabuhay!
Okay, good morning. Don't take your seat first. So before we start our discussion and our lesson for today, let us have a prayer. Can someone lead the prayer? Okay, let me call on Christine to lead the prayer in front.
Your head. In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be your name. Thy kingdom come, and your will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. Amen. Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen.
Okay, you may take your seat. Are you ready for today's class?
Yes, we are!
Okay. Now, before let's start our discussion, let us have a short quiz. Do you want to answer a quiz?
Yes, we do! Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
I will give you an answer sheet. Wait. I will give you some answer sheet, and for a 5-minute time, I want you to answer these questions truthfully. Okay, class?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, get one and pass.
Good morning, teacher.
Oh, good morning,
Sorry,
Darlene.
I'm late.
Please sit down. I'm gonna time you for 5 minutes. Answer your answer sheets quietly, please.
Excuse me, ma'am. Can I stand and get up my phone?
Okay.
Excuse me.
Okay, time's up. Finish or unfinished, pass your papers in front. Wow, well done, students. Now, who can remember what is our topic yesterday? What did we discuss yesterday? Okay, Miss Hamdi.
Our lesson yesterday is all about exponential notion, teacher.
Very good. Now, who can give me the definition of exponential notion? Okay, Julia.
Exponential notion, a number usually is expressed as a coefficient between 1 and 10 times. An integral power of 10, the exponent.
Very good. Give Julia a round of applause. Another answer. Anyone? Yes, Christine.
method of simplifying the writing and handling of very large or very small numbers.
Okay, great job. Now, before I discuss our lesson for today, I will be presenting a short video. After watching a short video, I want you to write 3 to 5 sentences on what you reflect or what did you understand on the video. Okay, class?
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Please listen, watch the video carefully because you are going to answer it later. Okay, so what are your understandings? Get 1/2 sheet of crosswise paper. Then I'll give you a 5-minute time to make a 3 to 5 sentence reflection. Okay, time starts now. Do you work quietly? Okay, time is up. I want you to keep the papers you have written and I will collect it later after our class. So, does anyone have an idea of what are we going to discuss today? Yes, Jenny?
I think it is about mathematical operation teacher.
You are almost correct. Our lesson today is about orders of operation or about the GEMDAS rule. But before we start our discussion, let us set some rules first. Okay? So, what are you going to do if I am about to start my discussion? Charles?
Do not talk or make any noise like you're discussing.
Correct. Okay. How about when you want to speak or you want to ask questions? Christine?
We need to raise our hands, teacher, before we ask.
Very good. And what if you want to stand or you want to go to the comfort room? Julia?
We have to talk to your teacher first before we go to the.
Very good. So, in this lesson, we are all going to find about the order of operation to simplify expression. I want you to observe the following problems carefully. Observe the three. What have you noticed about these problems? Very good. How about another else?
Teacher,
Anyway,
it involves grouping symbol teacher like that bracket and parentheses.
very good. Now, class, if you encounter this kind of problems, do you know how to solve it?
No teacher. Yes, teacher.
Okay. If you encounter these problems in the future or later that involves two or more mathematical operation and also have brackets and parentheses and also exponents, we will have to use the concept of order of operation. Now, what is order of operation? Can someone tell me the meaning of order of operation?
Me, teacher.
Okay, Darlene.
I think the order of operation means order in which steps must be done to simplify an expression.
Very good. And by saying order of operation, it means the GEMDAS rule. So, GEMDAS is an acronym to mathematical operation so that you will easily remember the steps on how you solve problems. So, what does this each letter mean? So what does the letter G means? G stands for grouping symbols like brackets, parentheses, and etc. So, can someone give me the meaning of E? Okay, Jenny. Very good. How about the letter M? Julia.
Mathematical teacher.
You're almost correct. Christine.
Multiplication teacher.
Very good. How about the letter D? Charles.
Division.
Correct. How about the A?
Me, teacher.
Darlene.
Addition.
Very good. And how about the last letter, the S? Julia.
Subtraction teacher.
Excellent. We should remember the GEMDAS rule because this is what you will use in solving the problems like the last time I let you observe it. So now let's discuss the GEMDAS rule. We have groupings. So, can someone tell me what are the examples of groupings like this?
Me, teacher.
Darlene, what are these called?
Groupings teacher. Symbols.
What kind of symbols?
Parentheses.
Okay, next. Jenny?
Bracket teacher.
Yes, and how about this one? Christine?
Parentheses teacher.
Very good. And where do we use these symbols? Yes, honey babe?
We use it for teacher if we are going to group numbers.
Very good. Example, we use parentheses when we group numbers. For example, 2 plus 3 is grouped by the parentheses. Next, inside the bracket are numbers grouped by parentheses. For example, this is a bracket and it is grouped by it. Yes. And last is the braces. And if numbers are grouped in brackets, we will use the symbol of braces like this. It's parentheses, then brackets, then the braces.
Okay.
Next is the exponent. Now, can someone give me the meaning of exponent?
Me, teacher. Me, teacher.
Okay, Darlene.
It is a symbol written above in the right of the mathematical expression to indicate the operation of raising to a power.
Very good, like this. This is what we call exponent.
Teacher,
Who, now, do you already know how to solve numbers with exponents?
Yes, teacher.
Good. After you solve numbers inside the group, next you will solve numbers with exponent. Yes, Julia?
can I take a picture?
Yes, you may go out. The next is the multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. These are the operations of mathematical operations. You will solve operations that appears from left, right, left, right. Multiplication and division could interchange depends on the operation that the problem was stated first. Same also for the addition and subtraction. So, if you are going to solve like this, wait. If there has 3 plus 6 times 2 divided by 1, you should first multiply the 6 times 2. Then, you get the answer. After that, you divide it to 1. Then, after that, you last add the number that has addition sign. Do you understand?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. So, can someone repeat what is the key by solving the GEMDAS or the multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction?
Teacher, we should solve first the multiplication and division before the addition and subtraction.
Very good. So, let's go back to the examples that I have shown you earlier and let's solve it using the GEMDAS rule. So, problem number 1. In this equation, what should we do first?
Me, teacher.
Darlene?
First, we multiply the number 6. 6 times 7.
And what will be the answer?
42, teacher.
Correct. 6 times 7 is equals to 42. Then, what should we do after? We multiply. Yes, Jenny?
Add 5, teacher.
And what will be the answer?
47, teacher.
Correct. The answer in this problem is 5 plus 6 times 7 is equals to
47.
Very good. Now, let's go to problem number 2. In problem number 2, what can you observe?
Teacher,
Yes?
there is a group symbol, teacher, in
So?
the equation. That is why we should do it first.
Okay. So, what will be the answer?
9. 5 plus 4 is equal to 9, teacher.
Very good. And it should look like this. 5 plus 4 because we answer when we solve the group is first 5 plus 4 equals to 9. Then, what should we do next? Charles?
We have to multiply, teacher.
What will we multiply?
It's a line.
Very good. And what will be the answer?
That's minus 84.
Very good. It should look like this. Then after multiplication, Christine,
The division teacher. The 50 and the 54 divide 3.
and what do you think is the answer?
18 teacher.
Very good. Next, we should
We should add teacher 3 plus 18, which is 21.
very good. Then lastly, Jenny,
Subtract 7 to 21 teacher.
and we should get the number.
40 teacher.
Very good.
Wow.
Observe our clap your hands. Observe that. Now, for the problem 3, I want so for the problem number 3, I want someone who will volunteer to answer it on the board. Wait, I'm gonna cover it first. I'm gonna cover it. Then, you should explain while you're solving the steps. No, the number 3. We answered the number 1 and 2 already.
Excuse me, teacher.
Yes.
And I go to CR.
Yes.
Thank you, teacher.
Charles, can you answer the question on the board?
I teacher.
Can you try?
Yes, teacher.
After Charles, if he could not answer that. I want you to follow what Charles has written on the board. Okay, explain to your classmates what have you solved. Slowly.
So we do is to definition we have a component. So we solve it and we got the 4. Then here in the bracket, so in GEMDAS, division plus 16 minus 4 is 12. And still in the bracket. So to divide into 2. Then 6 plus 2 minus 2. So addition is the first one. So 6 plus 2 is 8. And minus 2 that will be.
So the answer of the final equation is very good. Give Charles a round of applause. 6. Very good, class. I think you already know how to, you already understand our discussion today. Do you already know how to solve the GEMDAS?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, Arika, who can tell me the meaning of GEMDAS? Christine?
GEMDAS is an acronym, so mathematical acronym.
Yes, continue.
So that you will easily remember the steps.
Very good. So, can someone tell me the meaning, the acronym of GEMDAS, each meaning? G for?
Me, teacher.
Yes, Darlene.
Groupings.
Next. Yes, Jenny.
Exponent teacher.
Very good. Next. M for Julia.
Multiplication.
Very good. Next, D for Charles.
Division.
Very good. Next, A for.
Addition.
Next, last S for.
Subtraction.
Very good. Clap your hands. I think you already absorbed what did we discuss today. Do you completely understand our lesson? I will divide you into two groups. Darlene, can you fetch Charlotte because Honeybee, because we are going to have a group please.
Where is Honeybee? Come here.
Okay. I'll divide you into two groups. Group number 1 and group number 2. And I will hand you
Yes, we are.
the same, and I will give you the same problem. I want you to solve the problem that will be shown in here.
Okay, ma'am.
The first, no. You will solve it first. Then after that, if you completely solve the 5 equation, the first group that will answer into the board the total in here group 1 and in here group 2, the total, the solved numbers, the solved problems, that will be the first one. Okay? Do you understand?
Yes,
I
teacher.
will clean it later. I will give you enough time. So, start now. You will only answer you will only write the answer only, okay? Okay. Answer quietly. Yes, Christine? You done already? Yes. If you're done, get the chalk and answer that problem on the board.
Where is that
On here. You can also put your answers on the board if you're done.
Ma'am, let me check our answer before we continue.
Yes, of course.
But we are already done with this.
Yes, I do.
I will not answer. Be complete.
Wait, you cover your answer. You will copy our answer.
Excuse me, we're not
Charles, you want?
Stars, come over.
Your group mates.
Already did that.
The group that will sit down first will be the winner.
Read that
Okay. It seems like the group one has finished their group activity. You may now sit down. I will check the answers later, but for now, you did a great job. What did you do to clap your hands? Okay. So what did you do in order to finish this task?
Teamwork.
And
Collaboration.
another one.
Use better GEMDAS.
That's very good. So,
Teacher, we follow the steps, teacher.
very good.
Teacher, we solve the right answers.
Yes, very good, correct. So in order to test your individual knowledge about the GEMDAS rule, I will give you an answer sheet. You want to answer again?
Yes.
Yes. I will give you an activity, but this time you will answer it by yourself.
Okay.
Answer it honestly, okay?
Okay.
You should be using, if there is solving, you should use the GEMDAS rule and analyze some of the problems, okay? Get one and pass. I will give you enough time. There is a blocking.
There is no body. Ma'am, why is she missing out?
Yes, she's missing.
Ma'am, are we going to check our answers?
I'm going to give the candies tomorrow who is the winner first, and the winner gave another winner for the most correct answers, okay? I'm gonna check your answers later. I will buy you tomorrow because I didn't have a chance to buy candies today because I'm almost
Yes,
late.
teacher. Okay, teacher.
Okay, answer now, please.
I will.
Wow, very good.
I'm almost done.
Okay.
I'm done, teacher. I'm done.
Pass it on.
Hey,
Wait.
you get
Okay. I will check this later. So I want you to copy our assignment for tomorrow. If you have cell phone, you can also picture it if you want.
I have cell phone, teacher.
Okay.
Me too.
I
Me
can
too.
cell phone picture.
If you don't have, you copy.
Four, so four.
It's okay.
What's that?
Where did you leave Mom, my phone is Realme.
Wow.
Mom, my phone is iPhone.
Wow. It's nice.
Mom, my phone is iPhone 13 Pro Max. Fully paid. Fully paid. Mine too, Mom. iPhone 13 Pro Max. Rose Gold, fully paid, 256 GB. I 1 terabyte.
Okay. That's all for today, class. Thank you for listening. Do you have any questions for me before we go? Stand up. Goodbye, class.
Goodbye!